G'day everyone and welcome to today's art journal page. I'm playing in the Dylusions A5 art journal page today and I've got a blank page here. Now just recently I did a page here and guess what? I did it upside down. So I did an oopsie. So I put that on my art journal page here and I vowed never to do that again. So I've made a cardboard cutout of an arrow with this way up. So I put that in my art journal page to remind me which way my art journal should be going. So it's a really good tip if you do the same sort of thing also as I do. So I'll just get back to my blank page here. And today I thought I might play with my KaiserCraft shimmer mists. So I don't have any Dylusions shimmer mists, but I thought the next best things are my KaiserCraft ones. So I've got a spray box here that I'm actually going to put my book in. So this will capture any overspray. So I don't want any overspray on my desk or my laptop. So this is a really good technique, and this is something that I have just made myself out of one of my husband's many beer cartons. So it was nice and easy to make. So I'm just going to spritz some colour onto the page, and I've got 3 colours here that I'm going to utilise. So this is something that I just recently saw Diane Reevely do, and she gives me a lot of inspiration of late. So I'm in a bit of a delusion mood lately, and look, I have been having so much fun. So after applying the spray, I have actually just dabbed it off with some kitchen roll and just dried that off. So I'm just going to make sure that I put my cardboard arrow back in, so telling me which way my art journal should be. So I don't want to do the same mistake twice. Now these KaiserCraft sprays are iridescent and they are water activated as well. So I'm just going to get a baby wipe and I'm just going to lift off some of that colour through this stencil. I'm also going to spritz some colour through this stencil as well and just clean off my stencil on the opposite page. So in other words, just spritz, flip and clean off. Just going to make sure that's all dried off as well. And I'm just going to add some splatters just with the purple colour KaiserCraft spray also, just to give it a little bit of interest. So I've got this old school stencil here by Dylusions, and I'm just going to use some Distress Oxide ink and just put some colour through the stencil just with my sponge dauber here. Now I picked up this book here and it's a book of quotes, and I got this from the cheap shop. So it's got some really good quotes in it, and I'm going to pinch one today for my page here. Before I begin though, I am going to use some of the Dylusions Collage. I think these are both one's from set 1, one's from set 2, but I've got both sets and I'm just gluing them down with my Yoo-Hoo glue stick. Now I've got this Borderlines by Creative Memories, and it's a wavy flexible ruler. I have ordered a Dylusions stamping block and I'm so keen to get it. So I've lost a little bit of a footage here. I actually just put in some wavy lines, and with my Posca pen I am actually going to add in the quote, and I'm going to do some doodling as well. Now all the products that I have used on this page today will be listed over on my website, and that website link will be down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out also. Now that's my art journal page finished for today, and I just really love how this has turned out. The girl with the legs has really popped off this page. I absolutely love it. Now why not give me a like for this video, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for up and coming videos. And until next time everybody, stay safe and happy crafting. See ya!